Which one is that?
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Well, show Mommy. You got all your dinosaurs on the floor?
This is T-Rex.
I see. What is that one?
Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. Very good. You're so smart.
T-Rex. T-Rex.
Show Mommy what else you got.
T-Rex.
No, that's a velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
That's right. Show Mommy what other dinosaurs you got.
T-Rex.
That one is a T-Rex.
Triceratops.
That is Triceratops. Very good, Cannon.
I can go right back. Woo! T-Rex. I love this right back. I can go back home.
Oh, the dinosaurs need to go back home?
No. Come on. Come on. Come on. I just come on. I just take a ride. Woo!
You like those dinosaurs?
I like it. Dinosaurs. Whoa!
Are they playing together? Or are they fighting?
Funny.
They're fighting? What happened to the Brachiosaurus over here? Brachiosaurus was just kind of laying over here. What happened to the Brachiosaurus right here?
Was also full. This Brachiosaurus with long neck.
He has a really long neck, that's right.
Bing, boom. Bing, boom. Bing, boom.
Which one's your favorite dinosaur? Show Mommy which one is your favorite. Which one? The Brachiosaurus. I like the Brachiosaurus too. Yeah, Mommy likes him too. Triceratops. Very good. Very good.
Look at Mommy. Okay, Brachiosaurus.
I think he's okay.
I see.
You have the Triceratops standing on top of Brachiosaurus. You're so funny.